Good morning, everyone. My name is Vivek Rao. I'm the solution architect for AI at Dicker Data. Today, we are unboxing the Cisco AI Pod Kit. Let's get started. This is part of Dicker Data's wider initiative on AI Accelerate, to help acceleration of AI initiatives for the ANZ partner community. So now we are in the data center area. We have just unboxed all the equipment, brought it here for racking and stacking.
We're incredibly proud to be selected to drive AI adoption in Australia. As Cisco's only Australian-owned and operated distributor, we're incredibly proud to deliver value beyond just distribution. Our role is to enable, to drive readiness and to help bridge the knowledge gap in this country. Partners and their end users have a place to start today. They now have a place to test, to run demonstrations and to remove the risk of deploying technology before they make the investment. We're really excited to extend the partnership with Interactive today. We've got a long-standing partnership with them that expands over 10 years. Today, we enter the facility as a customer where we give our partners the opportunity to come in and see and test AI infrastructure for their specific needs. So for any partners that are unsure about where to start in AI, I would suggest they reach out to their Dicker Data representative and come and see the facility here at Interactive. By doing so, they can come in, they can trial out their environment, they can speak to experts, and they can learn more about how AI can solve some real problems.
We offer sovereign hosting services across our data centres in Sydney, Melbourne and Brisbane. And we also offer hosting services, managed services, as well as migration services. There's a lot of things happening in the market at the moment, not just around AI, but generally around organisations seeking sovereign services. So they're not just interested in geographic sovereignty, but also working with Australian-owned and operated businesses. Many organisations want to bring their AI workloads close to where their data is. And if their data is in sovereign places like ours, then that's a really important consideration organisations need to make.
So today we have installed Cisco AI Pod in the rack. It's all ready to go with only one purpose in mind: to run AI at scale. Get in touch with your Dicker Data representative to see how we can get AI to work for you and at scale.